Okay, so we've all seen comic books, comic strips, and if you're anything like me, you can look at these and just think this is ridiculous. I ain't got the time to draw all this stuff. I ain't got the energy to do everything, the colouring, the get that good at drawing for starters, do all the backgrounds, do all the characters, do every single pose, do every single angle, do all the shading, and then you've got to write a story and everything. I thought I'd design a process that I can use and I can do to get some ideas out, or just to draw. Really, it's not always to um, achieve anything. You just want to sort of give it a go, really.
So the basic process is to first draw a picture A4 with pencil, just to get it out there. It takes about 15 minutes per picture, really. This is obviously something I can draw pretty quick. When you're drawing other pictures, like close-ups are very easy, obviously, but with drawings which you're not sure of, they may take a bit longer. So now, one simple drawing, go scan it in, take it to PowerPoint, put words on it. The first one is in small letters, so that with correct grammar, trying to correct it so you've got all the spelling. And I've increased it to caps, and I've changed it to MV Bowley. So this is kind of a comic-like style. We've also changed it again on the second one to AR Christie, I think it's called. And I've also changed the colour so it looks a little bit more dynamic. Now, if you want to try and improve it, I'm on Movie Maker here, Windows Movie Maker. You can add transitions to go from one picture to the next. You can also add a bit of movement so that it kind of adds a bit more dramaticness. And you can also add music and behind it. So that's kind of my basic process for each picture. I just think when you do it like this, you can get a quicker turnaround. It's obviously not as good, or probably nowhere near as good as the pros, but if you're going to try and produce something in any kind of time, I think this is quite a good method.